Barnard, and you are either watching this video on YouTube or the Stamps of Life, so welcome. I am here to share with you what our club is. Now, we travel around the United States, usually about 20 to 25 events a year, and I often get to meet people like you, and I get to talk to you, and a lot of questions that I get asked are, what's the club? And why do I need to be in the club? And I don't understand the club. Can you explain it to me? And so I thought I'd do another video that it kind of just explains the club. Now, technically, we have 3 different clubs. The first club is the Stamp Club. You get a brand new stamp set sent to you automatically. I design new ones every month, so it won't be anything that's on our website. It's always brand new, and I design it new every month, and we ship that to you on the 1st of each month, and it's $11.95. Now, what do you get for the $11.95? Number one, you get that stamp set for $11.95. If you're in Canada, shipping is an extra 50 cents. That's it. Can you believe it? I know, right? International, I think shipping's an extra $1.50. Really good, right? For a stamp set. Hello, that's awesome. So $1.95, you're getting a brand new stamp set. Here was an example of one of the stamp sets that we did not that long ago. This was the Pineapple to Stamp set. You also get an idea card that shows 3 samples on the card, as well as supplies used, and there's a video on our website and an idea gallery on our website, all for $11.95. Now, what else do you get for $11.95 besides the stamp set? You get a 15% discount on our website and in our booth when we travel to a place near you or where you're traveling. Now, the 15% is good for everything on our website except Big Shot machines and classes that we have. Other than that, every discount is on every product, 15%, which can save you a ton of money. All my Sizzix products, my ink pads, my dies, my stamps, paper, cardstock, inks, blocks, yeah, 15%. Hello, isn't that awesome? Now, some people love the stamps, but they want the dies that match. They're like, that's awesome, Stephanie, but I am not gonna cut those out. I call that fuzzy cutting. We really call it fussy cutting, but I call it fuzzy because it never looks good. Well, we have a club for that. That's club number 2. That's called the Die Hard Club, where you get the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but you get the dies that match. Now, this is $24.90 a month, and of course, if you're in Canada, 50 cents more, and shipping in the international is like $2. And of course, people in California have to pay a little bit of tax, but $24.90 a month. Again, shipped and charged on the 1st of the month. What do you get? Not only do you get that 15% discount, and of course the Stamp Club members, you get the discount, 15%. You get every couple months we send out mini stamp sets for free. Every couple months you might get something else, you never just know. But also on your year anniversary, we send out a $15 gift certificate to our website, just as a little thank you gift. So if you're in 12 months, on your 12th month, automatically we send you a gift certificate for $15. Hello, isn't that awesome? Now, sometimes people say, well, okay, that sounds great, but you don't let me pick what's in the club. You don't let me pick my stamp set each month, or you don't let me opt out. Why? Well, $11.95 for a stamp set made in the United States of high quality photopolymer. That's after shipping, $11.95. No other company out there sells stamps, photopolymer made in the US for $11.95 shipped to your house. The way we can do that is it's like the Costco idea, where we do everything in bulk. We package these in bulk. We label them in bulk. We do everything in bulk in order to offer you such a low price. Now, most companies would charge you $15 just for the stamp set, then charge you shipping on top of that. We don't do that. So that's why the only way we can do this is if everybody gets the same one and it's all done at once. That keeps our prices low and it keeps you happy, right? Now, the club sets are always very general in theme, meaning we're not going to send you little gorillas on unicycles because, whoa, that's a little weird, right? So for example, this was our pineapple set. One time we had a wheelbarrow with different things you could put in it. One time we had a birthday cake. We did Christmas. We do Christmas Septembers. On September 1st, we always do some type of Christmas, but it's not an extremely religious Christmas, even though I'm a religious person. But it's always going to be very general in theme because it needs to appeal to as many people as possible. Thanksgiving, Halloween, and Easter are not part of our club because we have a lot of people that are international that don't do those holidays, and those are always add-on sets that you could buy at a discount if you wanted for your club discount. Now, if you join one of our clubs on the website, you get a free stamp set as a welcome gift for joining. So we'll pick it, we'll send it to you, and you'll love it. It'll be really fun. So that's our clubs that are on the 1st of the month, the Stamp Club and the Die Hard Club. $11.95 or $24.90 shipped to your door. Now, we're also coming out with new exclusive programs for our club members, so stay tuned for more of those as well. We also have the Kit Club. Now, the Kit Club is a little different because it comes with a box of goodies that you are going to love. The Kit Club is fantastic. It comes in a box like this, and it looks fantastic. It's Happy Mail. Who doesn't love Happy Mail, right? And it comes with lots and lots of goodies. It comes with enough product to make a minimum of 12 cards. Usually people say they make closer to 20 cards. The best part about it though is everything in this box coordinates together. So you know the pinks are gonna match the other pinks, the blues are gonna match the blues, the reds are gonna match the reds. Everything goes together. Also, it sometimes coordinates with our Stamp and Die Hard set, which are really fun too. So for example, it comes with a pattern paper pad with high quality paper. And it was funny, I had somebody say at a show, you know, I didn't realize how thick your paper was. I always hear you make the noise, and this is the noise I make. This is one sheet. It's 80-pound cardstock is what it really is. Double-sided, it's all double-sided. It's printed in the United States, high-quality paper. It's pattern paper, but cardstock, really. We also have a fun die set that's different than our die words. This one says hip, hip, hooray. We also have an exclusive stamp set. You get ribbons. You get, this one came with twine. This one came with 2 different washi tapes. It came with some cute little mini bows. But the best part about it is everything goes together. It also comes with a handy dandy storage envelope and cardstock that matches, and even envelopes to mail your envelopes away and mail your cards away. Now, this price on this one is $39.99, and that includes priority shipping. But if you're in our stamp club if you're in our stamp club or our die club, then you get an extra $5 off this one. Now, we also have what's called the Gold Club. What in the world is the Gold Club? Oh, I'm sorry, back to this. If you stay in this a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $25 gift certificate to our website. Hello, isn't that awesome? Now, what if you were in this club and the Die Hard Club? That means you're in both of our clubs. Technically, you're in all of the clubs, right? Because you're getting everything. You're getting 2 shipments of Happy Mail a month. You're getting this sent to you on the 1st, this sent to you on the 15th of the month. For under $60 a month, it works out to be $59.50 without tax if you're in California. $59.50 a month. You're getting both shipments, and you are not getting a $15 gift, I'm sorry, a 15% discount on our website or in our booth. You're getting a 20% discount. Can you believe that? 20%. Hello, that's awesome. On our website and in our booth when we travel. Now, you're also getting 2 gift certificates on your anniversary, $25 for this one and $15 for this one, so a total of $40 a month in free gift certificates for being a club member. You also get freebies every once in a while, as we like to throw those in as well. Those are our Gold Club members because they are gold. Now, when you visit us at one of the shows, you also get some special buttons that say that you're a club member. One is pink and says Club VIP. The other one says I'm gold, because our gold members get that. And we have so much fun. We're also adding some exclusive fun things for our Gold Club members. So Gold Club members, you've been getting different emails recently, very recently, about special products released only to Gold Club members. And sometimes we'll release special products only to club members. We take care of our club members. So go check out the website, go read all about it, watch this video a couple times, email us your questions, but you are gonna wanna join this club. You can get all the benefits and all the freebies and all the discounts for being in the Stamp Club for only $11.95 a month. Can you believe it? You can't beat that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.